Welcome back here to the last part of the tutorial for entity relationships. And today I'm gonna cover the many-to-many relationship. And sometimes people don't understand quite why we need this and how it works. Okay. So in this case, I have a student table and a course table. And I want to make sure that a student belongs to, he can purchase a course, and the same course can be purchased by many students. Okay, so in here I'm gonna just drag and drop the entities beside my diagram. So before that, if I just drag and drop just a critical relationship here from course to student, I'm just gonna say that by this I'm gonna just tell that a student will belong to a course. So one course can belong to many students. And if I do the opposite, students, I'm just doing that a course belongs to a student ID, and another course belongs to a student ID. So here I'm just saying that one student um, can be in many courses, one to many. Um, so this is not what we want, right? This is not what we want. So when we end up like don't understanding why and how we can make this thing works, it means that we need automatically change our mind and just thinking straight up that we need to create a junction table. Okay, so a junction table works as a middle one here that combines the name from the tables that we want to match or to create um, our business. Okay, so in this case, I create here a new entity, and I'm gonna set the name as student course, and I'm just gonna drag and drop here. And in order to make sure that we have one student can purchase one or more courses, and a course can be purchased by one student or many students, we need to create a relationship uh, from the student inside the new one, which is the junction table, and also the other one in the same junction table that we created. So this, if we do this, we are making sure. So if you think when we create the records, so we are creating for this table. So ID1, student, let's say the first one, and course ID the first one. So we have ID1, student ID1, and course ID1. So the next one, the next record will be ID2, students. It can be the first, can be the ID1 can be the same, and he can purchase the second course. Okay. If we do the third record, we're going to set the ID as 3. Student ID, let's change it to 2, which is the second one. And the course ID, it can be again the second course that was created in this table. Okay. So if we do not work with the junction table, we cannot do that. It doesn't work because only one part it will cover. So if we send student inside course, we are covering the student. If we are sending the course inside the student, we are just covering the course. So in this way, with the junction table, we guarantee that we can do this. Okay, so please make sure this when we end up not getting the when it doesn't make sense to to create a relationship between a table to another one and we do not get the result that you want, probably we need to create a junction table to make this work. Okay, so basically, just to wrap up, a many-to-many relationship are two entities that cannot guarantee that the same table covers one and the other table covers in the same way. So that cannot be done. So if that cannot be done, we need to create a junction table like this one. Okay. If you have any comments, please comment below, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.